live from the bathroom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's definitely not giving aesthetic right now. This time in Medellín has been really nice. I'm out here to focus on my writing, heal from corporate America, and gain clarity on what I want to do next, work-wise, because I was let go. This is the second time I've been let go in 2 years. Yay! Obviously, God is telling me I need to be redirected. Tonight, Bae cooked dinner, and I wrote a little bit. I'm writing a story called Black At, about this black girl who gets a big tech job. She's a reporter, and she gets a big tech job in the Bay. I moved from New York to the Bay for a tech job. It's just really fascinating and healing to write the story. So that's like my main goal for this week is writing, because my partner is amazing. He made dinner so I could start writing. And get you a man who supports your goals, even if they can't support it financially, but they support it by making dinner, doing the household stuff so that you can focus. Because creativity, being a creative worker, girl, boy, damn, it's not easy. Hey, it's not easy, because it all comes from here.
Why are you so burdened by what has been? Look,
what are the biggest challenges that Kamala Harris is facing?
Sure. So if you're
being black. Rough. Empanadas. Hey.
Has been so nice to know many people around the world and to know that there are people that want to know about our culture, to learn about our food.
Poquito, ¿no? Sí, ya. Toda la vida yo creo que necesitamos uno. Sí.
We use boiled potatoes. In a moment you are going to peel it and mushroom.
Nice.
Oval. Carne desmechada, pollo desmechado.
Shredded chicken and beef. Each month is adding different flavor to change the possibilities and the experience. So this month is paisa empanada. Paisa empanada has chicharrón, that's pork, and also this mix that is with rice and beans.
Perfecto.
Like it's hard to make it softer. You knead it.
Not the whole thing.
I'm not using the whole thing.
Just be careful because the mold is not too big.
I got too excited. Okay.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at that. Show the people. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
That's a lot.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
That's a lot.
Yeah, even that's more than.
That's a a lot.
You guys are teaming
I'm
up
just
against me.
saying.
No.
Is it a burrito or no cheese?
It's already thick in there. It's already, there's a lot. There's a lot. There's a lot. It's already busting.
Okay. It's okay, it's okay. We can't sell it.
Look, what? I can sell
We
it.
can't. Oh wow, very distinguished. Very fancy. The empanadas are frying. The other people in the group are from Aruba. Did you know they speak Spanish there? Who knew? I'm excited. Empanadas are a lot of work. It's like meat pie, beef patties, and we're having a good time.
Delicious part of the experience that is that you taste your creations. Hot encurtido and not hot encurtido. Okay. And also with avocado sauce.
Let's just start our own restaurant. How is it?
It's good.
Crispy. Delicioso. Y'all are jealous? You jealous? So we just finished empanadas. Look at that. Look at all of this, bro. We have enough empanadas to last us a whole fucking week. We have our Spanish lessons tomorrow, and we need them because we are struggling. We are out here sounding like gringos. Today was bad. We were getting the jokes late and everything because of the translator. Translator stopped translating at a certain point. Did you have fun, babe? Let me get my phone, child.
One blood. She's not the only one bleeding this week.
Hey.
Me too.
What I do like about the neighborhood of our Airbnb in El Poblado is that it is very residential. But we are not far from that action, you feel me? It's quiet on our block. People have jobs here. People aren't just here for sex tourism and vices, you know? People are walking their dog. Why are you walking so fast? Oh. I would say this place cost us like $1,600 for the month, and I love it. I'm getting sad that we're leaving in like a week. Been here for 3 weeks. So we're doing a month in El Poblado and then a month in Loredas, which is another neighborhood that, according like all the tea, is that all the like actual people from Colombia who were wealthy and got tired of all the tourists moved to Loredas. So allegedly it's still really nice and has a lot of restaurants. It's giving like the Brooklyn to Manhattan energy, or the Oakland to San Francisco, the Abu Dhabi to Dubai. If you know, you know. It's day one of my cycle, TMI, as my boyfriend told y'all. So we're gonna go to a park, I'm gonna journal a little bit. My boyfriend's probably just gonna scroll TikToks and accompany me as I journal. Go outside. It won't be sunny all day. When the sun goes down, you will have time to then watch the video, watch the movie, watch the Netflix. But there's only so much daylight in a day. So seize the day. What's the Latin phrase for seize the day, babe? Since you got your degree and you know everything. Carpe diem, seize the freaking day and become a rotting person at night. Okay? Bye. Wow.
I am the manager of the bar.
Ooh, employee of the month. Ooh, look at the bathroom, so cool. It's like a brewery. It's not mass produced. made it to the park. It is lively. Oh, it's so nice. It was a good idea back home when we were like, let's try different neighborhoods. Now that we're here, it's like...
I would have been happy to do another 4 weeks here.
I would have been happy to do another 4 weeks here as well. We walked up that staircase. It led us to this little place. I'm on a swing. We're in separate swings because Bay doesn't really want to swing. You know what I mean? I'm trying to swing, girl. We were just talking about us being a little sad about leaving this area because it's perfect. It's in a residential neighborhood, but it's still in El Poblado, which is like where you want to be as a tourist. There's a lot of nightlife here. I like nightlife, but like not too late. We're gonna miss it here. As I was journaling, I was like, damn, ideally I'd like to stay here for a year. Like Medellín, Colombia. It's really lovely. Like we haven't made like friends, and that would be nice, but it would be nice to call this place home for real, for real. I'm really loving it. I'm so happy we did this. I cannot believe we're here. I'm in love with my man and Colombia. Let's head back down. We're back home. Today was a very, very chill day. I talked to my aunt for like an hour, ate breakfast that they made. We went to the brewery on the way to the park, explored the park a little. Very, very chill day in Medellín. So now we're back. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna make dinner tonight. Put on a podcast or some YouTube, clean up, make some dinner. I think I want to watch this recipe for storytelling with Ayo Edebiri and Kiki Palm, baby. gravy god.
It's really good.
Thanks, babe. It's okay.
It does taste good. I'm not frightened. I might make some rice later though.
Go ahead.
With the salad. It's good.
That's good.